Hello and welcome, John Croner with Bullseye Trader, and I'd like to welcome you to the Artificial Intelligence Holly and Market Update for Monday, September the 24th, 2018. Well, let's go ahead and take a look and see how the markets ended up today, and we're going to go ahead and start with the Qs. And as you can see, we have a big green candle, but we gapped down on the open, and then we pretty much, gained it back throughout the day, closing just above where we closed out last week at. So we did have a small gain in the Qs, but the spiders did pull back, held above the 20, so that was a positive thing. Pull back with the spiders. Russell 2000 small caps pulled back, but bounced off that 50 real nice, and closed well off of the lows, so that was encouraging. That even though it pulled back, that it held that. And the diamonds, after the nice run last week, and even though this is a red candle, that was a record high on the Dow. So little pullback after a nice run. So no problem there. So looking good with the with the market update. Now we'll go ahead and take a fast look at the spiders, or the Holly update, see how we did. Holly Grill had 8 trades, lost 5 cents in both the risk off and the risk on mode, so it's not too often that we have a tie in the different modes. Holly 2.0 had 20 trades for a profit of $2.26, risk on $1.06. And Holly Neo had 9 trades for a profit of 86 cents, and the risk-on profit was only 27 cents. So it was definitely a risk-off day, the kind of day where you have to take your profits and get out. So all combined, Holly had 37 trades for the 3 segments, 307 profit, $1.28 risk on profit. So that's your Holly update. We'll take a fast look to see if there are any significant stocks. Her best short trade, or best risk off trade in Holly Grill was the CYBR. It was a short trade for 15-cent profit, but if you had held, only a penny at the end of the day. And GLMD, a long trade, made 13 cents on the trade. If you held until the end of the day, you would have had 23 cents profit. So that was looking for a bounce. Now we'll go ahead and switch over here to Holly 2.0. And Holly 2.0, her best risk on trade was ED, which was a short, and she made 46 cents on the risk on mode, broke even because of a timed exit on the risk off mode. So that was that. $1.13 on VLO, close to a cross was the strategy. $1.13 profit in the risk off. Had you held it, you would have lost some of that profit and closed out at 31 cents profit. And a quick look at Holly Neo, and we have RDC. Was a long trade. Breakout was the strategy. 55-cent risk off profit, 56 cents risk on profit, and I believe, that is the winner in both categories. So once again, you can see that was a pretty pain-free trade there. So that is your Holly update. And then I want to tell you about something we have going on, and I told you last week about the summit we're having out in San Diego on October the 20th. So the bad news is that the tickets are all sold and you can no longer get a ticket. So if you got one, we'll see you out there. Looking forward to it. I will be there. And if you did not, the good news is now you can pretty much attend for free from the comfort of your own home through live streaming. That's right. It's absolutely free. It's going to include the free access to the archive of each speaker's presentation as well. So we've got a list of great speakers for you, including Brett Steenbarger, Brian Shannon, Max Madass, Kunal Daisy, and I'm not sure how you say that. Airplane Jane's going to be there, and Cameron Knowles. So we've got a big list of speakers lined up for you, and of course we're going to have our own Dan Merkin's going to be there. So we invite you to go ahead and sign up. Here's the link for it. You just go there, put in your email address. We'll get you signed up absolutely free. And so look forward to seeing you at the live streaming if you're not going to be at the summit itself. And just remember, you can always follow me on my blog at bullseyetrader.com. You can like me on Facebook, follow me on Twitter or StockTwits. If you like this video, got anything out of it at all, go ahead and hit that thumbs up for me. Maybe share it with some friends. We'd appreciate that. Maybe drop a comment in. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing to these videos so that you don't ever miss one. And hey, I want to thank you for watching, and God bless.